Hey guys, so it is Sunday, July 23rd, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Now, once again, this stuff gives me just the right amount of energy. It makes me feel balanced. It makes me feel at peace. It makes me feel calm, cool, and collected. And it gives me a ton of motivation and determination. Now, I don't know if it's because of this or what, but for some reason people keep accusing me of being manic when I absolutely am not. And quite frankly, I'm getting really sick of it. Because I'm not manic, I'm just super productive. I'm doing a bunch of videos. I do my videos, except for the Amare updates. I do every other video when my son is not around. Or if he's sleeping. Or the odd night, and this is not every night, but the odd night, my mom will put him to bed because he just refuses to go to sleep for me, and I'll go work on a video. But that's because he's kicking and screaming and literally kicking me out of the room. But other than that, I do my videos when my son is either sleeping or not here. And then I upload them and schedule them to be public for a different day. And I film multiple videos at a time. Anyway, this stuff is amazing. It's for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. And there is a huge connection between the serotonin and dopamine in your gut and the serotonin and dopamine in your brain. So if you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, this stuff is highly recommended.